Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving y'all some tricks, tips, and advice on breastfeeding. This is coming from my experience and I want to share it with you guys. So stay tuned. The number one tip I want to give y'all is drink plenty of water. You want to at least drink a gallon of water a day, or if you cannot consume a gallon of water a day, at least try to drink a half gallon or close to a gallon. The next tip I have is to eat healthy. Even though you are breastfeeding, you still want to eat healthy. You want to eat fruits, you want to eat vegetables, you want to eat, stuff like that to keep your body healthy and to have better milk, non-toxic milk to feed your baby. Because the food, keep in mind, the food that you are consuming has a lot to do with the milk that you are producing to feed your baby. So you want to eat healthy when you're breastfeeding your baby. Now I'm just going to be realistic. I know you're not going to eat healthy all the time. I didn't eat healthy all the time, but I did eat healthy majority of the time. I know you're going to want to snack, here and there, and that's okay. But just keep in mind that you want to eat healthy majority of the time, because the number one key of you breastfeeding is to produce better milk, non-toxic milk for your baby. So, and then it will help you lose weight. It will help you, get in shape. And I have something else to tell y'all. It makes you lose weight when you breastfeeding. That works for me. When I breastfed my babies, I lost weight. I kept my weight down. But let me tell y'all this. I heard the saying, if you breastfeed your baby, that is a method of birth control. Let me pause for a second. That is not true. In my case, it was not true. There was not a method for something. I got pregnant twice breastfeeding my baby. So that was not a method for me. So do not believe that, y'all. If y'all don't want to have any more kids, do not think because you are breastfeeding that it's a method of birth control. So I just want to throw that out there so y'all won't have no surprises like I did. Also, I want to give y'all a trick on how to care for your nipple of your breast. Sometimes it becomes sore. Sometimes they crack. So the trick I use some of my breast milk that I pump. I got a cotton ball or a Q-tip. And if you don't have neither one, you can just use your hands, but make sure your hands are clean. And I just dabbed a little bit on the cotton ball and I put it on the nipple part of my breast. That helped with the soreness, and it also helped with my nipples cracking. I also use Vaseline that you can get from, you probably get that from the Dollar Tree. I think they sell it at the Dollar Tree. But I use Vaseline to put on my nipple as well. And that helped also with cracking. That will help me, but if it does not help you, they always have cream that they sell at Walmart that can help you soothe your breast. I'm not for sure what type, I'm sorry, but I just suggest that you use the breast milk first to see if that helps. Just rub it on your nipple and it should help with the soreness and the cracking. Amazing. Yay! Okay, go back in the living room. We're fishing on the video. You gonna be quiet? Okay, sit down and be quiet. Okay, y'all. Nursing pad. I bought those for a couple of months in me breastfeeding, but I eventually resulted in paper towels. So let me show y'all right quick. You may be on a budget to where you can't afford to buy nursing pads all the time. So what I did was, and you want to make sure you're wearing either a sports bra or a well-fitted bra. I would suggest that you use a sports bra. What I did was, I used paper towels. It's like 2 paper towels, and I just fold it. Fold it like this, fold it in half, and I fold it again, and I fold it again, and this is how it came out. And the only thing you want to do is put this inside your bra, over your nipple part. And this right here will keep you from leaking milk onto your clothing or on your bra. So that's another trick that I use when I wasn't able to afford nursing pads. I use paper towels. When you are latching your baby on your breast, you want to make sure your hands are clean, because you may have to use a finger or two to help your baby unlatch from your breast. Okay, so latching your baby on your breast properly. I'm gonna say this: the nipple part of your breast, you want to make sure you get as much of that into your baby mouth. You want to hold it there. You may have to hold your baby head up towards your breast, and you may have to hold your breast to make sure you get as much nipple part inside your baby mouth. You want to hold it there until your baby latch on. Once your baby latch on, you will know, because you're going to feel a little pain when the baby latch on, and when you see that your baby are sucking milk, and then you'll know that your baby is latch on properly. If your breast keep on coming out your baby mouth, your baby's not latch on properly. So you may have to, like I say, help the baby out with holding the baby head up with one hand, and use your other hand to hold your breast up to where you put as much nipple part of your breast into your baby mouth. Another trick I want to say with unlatching your baby, like I say, you make sure your hands are clean, because you may have to use a finger or two. When your baby is done feeding, you want to, and this if your baby does not unlatch on his or her own. So if you have to unlatch your baby from your breast, you want to use at least one of your fingers. You may want to use 2, whatever works for you. But the whole purpose of to open your baby mouth to take your breast out. If you do not open your baby mouth to take your breast out, then it will make your nipples, start to be sore. So if you do that trick, stop. If you do that trick, that will help you with the soreness of your breast. Y'all excuse me, but Kamal ain't got the same glasses that I have on. Come here, Kamal. Come show them. While breastfeeding is the best choice for your baby. Number one, from experience, when I breastfed my baby, it was less chance of my baby getting sick. I only had to take my baby to the doctor once, and that was only for him to get a checkup, to check his weight, his growth, and all of that. But other than that, my baby 3 years old, and he's only been sick about 2 times, and it was just like a common cold, or his allergies was messing him due to weather. And that was something that I had cured for, and I didn't have to take him to the doctor for that. And I breastfeeding my other 2 kids, and they stayed sick mostly all the time in their younger years. So with breastfeeding, I did notice that when you breastfeed a child, that you have less chance of your child getting sick or being sick. So that's a good thing about breastfeeding. You don't take your glasses off?
No.
Put them back on. Another thing I want to throw out there is when you breastfeeding your baby, period, saves you money. When you first have your baby, and I know you have to wake up through the night, probably fix the baby a bottle or something like that. When you are breastfeeding, you don't have to do that. You can feed your baby on your breast. And they call it breastfeeding on demand. So it's actually convenient for you, so you don't have to get up. You can stay in your bed. If your baby have like a little bassinet near the bed, or even sleeping with you, it's easier for you to feed your baby. Bling bling. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I think I covered everything that I needed to cover. And if y'all have any questions, y'all can email me. I will have my email in the description box below. And I will be doing another video on the breast pump that I use and how you can get one for free if you need one for free. So thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.